Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change height and width of text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change height and width of a text box. Firstly, create a text box. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box. Now we want to change the height and width of this text box. Click the text box. Then go to the Shape Format menu. Now we can see here the height and width option. Now we change it. Now I write height 10 and width 4. Then press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we change the height and width of this text box very easily. You can change again. Now I write height 2 and width 3. Then press enter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.